You know, having a bad back is no fun. But this piece of equipment right here can help anyone at any age. I'll show you. This is a Harison. I'm Dion. I do documentary style, lifestyle, in between spaces, cooking, health and fitness, health and wellness, love, entertainment. But today we're going to do a demonstration on the inverted posture to help with lower back problems. While I'm doing this, I literally can feel lightweight pressure going to my head, but it's really not that major. Not for me. If you have issues where you can't hang upside down, I wouldn't advise doing this. But other than that, I can feel literally my spine decompressing, my lower disc starting to loosen up. That compaction that you feel from sitting down or driving in a car or anything, this is just so healthy to do. I highly recommend using this Harison HR for reclaiming your health in your back. It is so relaxing. Sometimes we have to take care of ourselves. And this home piece of care, this is purposely wedged in between the bed and the window to show you that it can literally be used anywhere. We'll show some other ones in the living room, show you that it's a nice piece of equipment to have. We'll have links to the sponsor. Like this video. These are the straps. You would strap yourselves in. We'll go through a more detailed descriptive of how to use this. But we just wanted to get started with the bedroom to show you there's no excuse to have a bad back. The Harison 407 Black.